Welcome back to another video, and today it's Vlogmas Day 25. Okay, it's crazy, right? Vlogmas Day 25. Y'all remember when I started from day one? Exactly. So, today is the end, and since it's the end of Vlogmas, honestly, and today is also Christmas Day, I decided I'm just gonna leave you guys with a little Christmas message, and I think that's the best way to end it off. First off, I wanted to tell you guys thank you so much for going with me on these 25 days. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for being interactive, commenting, doing all of the things that you all do. Liking, giving your opinions in the comment section below, talking back with me. And as much as I'm able to answer them, I was able to interact with you guys as well. I'm so happy that you guys enjoyed the videos. I'm so happy that you didn't mind the length of some of them either. You guys just watched and you enjoyed and you shared your thoughts as well, and we really, really appreciate that. And I hope that this Christmas season has been good to you, whether you're home, you're at work, wherever it may be. I hope this holiday season was good to you. I hope you guys were able to find some light through it, whether you're going through something bad or you're not going through something bad, whether you're with family or you're not with anyone at all. I hope you guys were able to find some kind of light and joy at the end of the day. I hope you guys were able to take time for yourselves also. I hope you were able to just relax and have some time to rest, to sleep, to do all the things that you may have not gotten to do. So I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I want to wish you guys happy holidays. And for the new year to come, I hope you guys have a blessed and prosperous new year. I hope we all go into the new year, in good spirits. Whether it may be a good or bad situation, I hope you guys go into the new year in good spirits. I hope you guys will have a really good, rest of your holiday, and that you guys will have an amazing new year. Though this is the end of Vlogmas for me personally, it's not the end of me putting up vlogs, obviously, but it's just that I will not be putting them up as often as I did during Vlogmas. I hope you guys understand that. So I thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you for being here with me for these 25 days, and I hope you guys will continue to love and support after it and going into the new year as well. You guys will be seeing more vlogs from me, mom, and the rest of my family and stuff like that. And as we go through, we hope you guys continue to be as interactive as you are and continue to show your love and support. And once again, Merry Christmas and